River adventures, exploring nature's waterways. Rivers are like nature's paths for water that run through the land, carrying life along the way. Let's learn about how rivers start, where they go, and the cool animals and plants that live in them. Beginning journey. Rivers start as small streams or springs in the mountains. Rain or melted snow gathers and starts to flow downhill, making a river. Flowing path. Rivers wind through valleys and fields, sometimes getting bigger as they join with other streams. They go through forests, towns, and cities, giving water to plants, animals, and people. Home to animals. Many animals live in rivers, like fish, ducks, and frogs. They need the water to drink and swim in, and some birds build nests near the riverbanks. Meeting the sea. Rivers end when they reach the sea. This place, called the river's mouth, is where the fresh water mixes with the salt water from the ocean. It's a special spot where different animals and plants live together. Rivers are super important for nature and for us. Let's explore the wonders of rivers and see the amazing life they bring to our world.